Today we're going to see if we can fix a scratched windshield on this Nissan. Now you can see the scratches all through here. Pretty typical of old windshield wipers. People don't change them out, they get dried out and scratch the windshield. Now, can't see it a whole lot in the garage. You can see a little bit where the lights are, but it's even worse when you're driving down the road. So let's take it for a spin and I'll show you what it looks like. And as we take a little drive through this nice neighborhood, turn into the sun, look at what we've got. Nasty scratches all over the windshield. Pretty distracting. It is even worse at nighttime, as you can imagine. So the first thing we want to do is cover the car. That was easy. Get some scissors, cut out the windshield. And remove. So now we will be using cerium oxide from Gordon Glass Company, Amazon. 8 ounces, about $12. 2 parts cerium oxide, 1 part water. Well, I did like the instructions said, and 2 parts cerium to 1 part water. It was still powder when I did that. So I doubled it. I went to full 1-to-1, 8 ounces cerium oxide, 8 ounces of water. And now it's kind of soupy. Thing about it is we'll definitely burn up some of that water while we're using it. So for me, a novice, a little bit more liquidy is probably better. Now let's make sure the windshield's clean. Now I got my felt pad on my drill. I was going to try an angle grinder. I was thinking, yeah, a lot of people say that angle grinder is too much RPMs, too fast. Go with the drill. I said, well, I don't care if I mess up the windshield. I just buy another windshield. I priced one $250. That's not too bad. Then I thought, nah, I better just check it out with the drill first. Now, if the drill doesn't get it, then yeah, I'm going to use my angle grinder. But I've got a spray bottle of water. Wish me luck. I'm definitely going to need a lot more cerium oxide, so I'm going to spray it on the windshield. And if it starts to dry out, you can add water. Now with this Black & Decker drill, you don't have to worry about overheating the windshield, I don't think. But I'm going to check anyway. Just check it with my hand every now and then. Make sure I'm not getting too hot. It gets a little dry, spray a little more water. I stopped, rest a little bit. I'm sweating. Get a little update, kind of see if what I'm doing is even working. Clear off this little spot right here. It seems to be working, but I'm telling you, you see I moved out to a bigger square than what I started with? I'm wore out just doing this little bit. Arms hurt, So it's not even heating up with the drill. Like 2,000 RPM with the drill, it doesn't even heat up. The angle grinder is a lot easier to hang on to. So I'm gonna break out the big gun. Something's definitely going to happen now. Might be a new windshield. We'll see. Holy crap. It stinks so bad in here. It smells like burnt oxide. I don't know. Maybe it's going to kill me. Might need a mask or something. I don't know. But Definitely need hearing protection. I'm pretty sure there's some professional glass guy that's gonna jump all over me when he sees this, but whatever, it's my windshield, my money. I'm gonna spray some more on it, keep going. Whew. I might open a window. I might open all the windows. Tell you this, these windshields are tough. I haven't damaged the windshield that I can see. Scratches are still there, so we gotta keep going. Now, I've been buffing on this thing for about 45 minutes. Tell you right now, this is not worth it. I'm almost all the way through the bottle of cerium oxide, and the scratches are coming out, but there's still some left on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this bottle just on one side, and we'll compare, see how bad one side is compared to the other. But I'm probably just gonna call Safelite. My wife's at work. Say, hey man, put me on a windshield. Well, I'm officially out of cerium oxide. I'm gonna throw this bottle away. Let's pull this old girl outside, wash it off, see what the windshield looks like. Safelite repair, Safelite replace. I guess. Commercial for them. Alright, hope I don't hit something anyway.
I'm really glad you don't have to take all this time to do that.
Yeah.
That's just ridiculous, you know?
Yep, it is. It made a mess on the car, made a mess in the garage, so now it's time to clean it. Alright, so we're inside the car. We have my car in the garage with the headlights on. Show you what it looks like. This is the side that I did. I've been working on this for about an hour and a half. Now that includes cleaning the garage and everything. But as you can see, there's still some work that needs to be done. Compared to the other side I didn't touch. Way better than it used to be. No doubt. That's how it used to look. And now it looks like that. A lot better, but not worth it for me. And I gotta admit, looking at it straight on from the, like at the beginning of the video, with the garage light on top, it does look a lot better. So just like I said earlier in the video, we're just gonna call Safelite, any type of windshield place, get a brand new windshield, 250 bucks, not that big of a deal, but for me, it's not worth it because I think I'd probably have to buy another, probably 3 bags of cerium oxide. Now, I was slinging that junk at about 12,000 RPM with the angle grinder. Pretty sure that didn't help the situation any, but it does make it work a little bit faster on the windshield. Now, this windshield on a daily driver is only 250 bucks. Now, I've seen some of them, like a 2014 Ford Fusion that has the cameras in the windshield. That's 750 bucks before taxes to change a windshield. So if you have something like that, it might be worth trying to do. But anyway, thanks for watching another video. We hope you have a great week, day, and year.